Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work. Holy start the video. Pow. Alright guys, so we have the Galaxy Note 9 in both colors. We got that ocean blue and we got that lavender color that everybody's calling the Thanos version. Big shout out to Floss. As you guys can see, I have the 512 over here. I have the 128. So we have only 6 gigs of RAM on this one, and for that one we got the 8 gigabytes of RAM on the side. You do have the logo for Samsung Galaxy Note 9. And on the side, on the back, you do have the specs, and it does actually show you what the 512 is. Put this in auto. So we have the 512 right over here, and we have the 128 over here, and we do have the specs. So if you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. Do a slow little walkthrough for you guys, old-fashioned, old ghetto style. And you have the upgraded S Pen in the front. So in the lavender, you do have the lavender, and for the ocean blue, you do have it in that golden yellow. Okay, so I'm gonna make this a dual unboxings for you guys. Not sure how I'm gonna do this. I've never done this before. And if you guys are wondering why I have two, it's because the other one is not mine. But I ordered it for a reason. So when you take off the sleeve, you do have the logo for Samsung right over there. Check that out. And let's not break this, so let's just pop this baby open. Let's see if we can do this at the same time without showing the bottom, because the bottom. Okay, so let's just do it backwards. No, let's do it sideways. Alright, so we have the Galaxy Note 9. That's the first thing you see over here. Cover that up. I might just get some tape so you guys won't see the bottom. So you have the same identical box for both, as you guys can see. Alright, and this one, which one is this one? I forgot. Can't even tell. Don't even know what I have here. Okay, so you have your SIM ejection tool, of course, eject pin, and we have our booklets for the Note 9 and for Verizon. These are both from Verizon Wireless. They did have a BOGO deal, so that's the reason why I have two. Alright, so let's just pop this baby open and see what it looks like. Alright, so let's just take this out. This is the lavender color, and there's no sticker on the back with the eye in the eye. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, so let's just take this off. Oh wow, I kind of really like this color. This one was not supposed to be mine. Alright, so on the bottom, you can check it out. It does have a grayish type accents on the bottom, and on the sides it's the same color. You can definitely see that it's a fingerprint magnet. Check this out, guys. Check out how beautiful this phone is. Absolutely gorgeous. Definitely in love with this one too. Put that to the side. Go to the next one. Same thing in the box. Take this out. This is the ocean blue, I believe. It's almost like that blue that I seen from Motorola. The same type of blue. Just gorgeous though. And they put that little code there. Not sure if that means anything. So you can take that out without ruining the phone. Okay. Fast forward this. So what you get in the box here is you got that little guide here, and they put the wall charging brick in the plastic, quick charge 2.0, of course, and you can pop this baby out. Nice presentation, by the way, guys. Kind of reminds me of the essential type presentation. Alright, so what do we got in here? So we have our 8KG headphones, as you guys can see. 8KG is definitely back in the building. They're okay, I think, as far as like the form fitting in my ear, but I think the iPhones are just a bit better. And we do have our extra S Pen tips with the little claw, so you could take it out And we have our USB Type-C cable, of course. Pop that back aside. And that's about it, guys. So the same thing. It should be in the other box. I'm not going to break that one up. And also, we have our little file transfer thing. So let's just put this back inside. I should have unboxed mine. Not the other person's, but who cares? Alright. Put this away. So here's what you guys want to see. Here we go, guys. The Galaxy Note 9 in both colors. In my honest opinion, on camera, it looks a little bit more darker on the violet. And as far as the blue one, is true to color, no doubt. But it's a little bit more lighter on the one on the left. Okay, see how it looks on top. You guys could check it out. I think the lavender actually pops a little bit more under my lighting conditions. As far as fingerprints, it looks like the lavender looks a little bit harder to see, but this thing is definitely beautiful, no doubt about it. And something that you forgot to tell you about is the S Pen on. So the S Pen is actually yellow. So what do you guys think about that? 6 gigabytes of RAM on the 128, 512 on the 8 gigabytes of RAM version. Type-C on both. Snapdragon 845 processor. Beautiful, beautiful design phone. It's a little bit curvy right over here. I don't know if you guys can see that. You can definitely feel it. Chamfered edges are back on deck, as you guys can see. There's that same feel, almost like an iPhone, honestly. And what is that, guys? A headphone jack. Yes. Big shout out to Samsung for doing that. So let's do my screen unraveling. Yes. So it's time to power this baby on. There you go, guys. The Samsung Galaxy Note 9. I did have the Note 8 for like a week, but I hated the battery life. And this one has a 4,000 milliamp battery, guys. This is next level. Verizon Bloat is definitely on deck, which you guys can see. So if you guys want to see more videos of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, this is definitely coming to the channel. So you guys stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that like button. And that's about it. Stay trolling me. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.